not as a party person, but as a socially interested person, everyone should be supportive to SIR. Because the Election Commission has started the process, more than 5.5 crore forms has been distributed, and it is easy because I myself have filled it day before yesterday. 2 minutes it took for me to fill it. When BLO is there itself, I request the people not to get it and have it and then again fill it up. My humble request is, when they are distributing the form itself, you sit with them and fill it and give it to them, because they are having all your numbers. Even the previous SIR number, they are having that record. So it is easy for you to fill it up. So in my house, my husband and we both had the previous SIR. My children did not have the previous SIR. So it was two types, one with previous SIR, one without previous SIR, which was very easy, within 2 minutes. Why you want to complicate it, I don't know. It's like 2-minute noodles only, it is like that. But Chief Minister, it's like idiyappam. It's not like that. Just like that, it can be cooked, it can be written. So I request, even I condemn Vijay also. On 16th, they have announced agitation against SIR. Congress has separately again, because yesterday they had an ego clash with the ruling party, and now they are also have announced. Instead of announcing agitations and wasting your energy in agitation, you utilize that energy to support the SIR so that the forms will be filled easily and the list will be formed without any hurdles. So instead of wasting your energy of your cadres for agitation, please aggressively support it so that it will be helpful for the democratic process. It is not a political process, for a democratic process. That is my opinion. And I am going to send my book, because I have written a book clarifying all the doubts of SIR. This book I have written. And I am going to post it to Thambi Vijay. Please read it, because in the previous interview he told how it could be done in 30 days. Viewing his view only, I have written a chapter. It could be done in 30 days without any problem. There was evidence it was done within 30 days in some of the states. So let him read this, so that let him be supportive instead of agitating like DMK. Let him not go align with the EDA, the mindset of DMK to oppose SIR.